Hi, I'm Luke. In this video, I'm going to show you through some of the new features we've just added in version 1.4 of Photography Orders. That is the ability to customize how it looks. So we'll go through, we'll make a new theme for Photography Orders. So first of all, let's log in. We go to the Settings tab and we go to Customize Design. And we've got three default themes here. You can see, you click on them and it loads the theme. You start off with a light theme, a grey theme, and a dark theme. Now what I'd recommend when you're making a theme is to stick with the theme that is closest to what you want to do. So if you wanted to make a light theme, you would start off with the light theme and then modify it to how you want. If you want to make a grey theme, you choose the grey theme, and then you modify it how you want it to look. So for this example, we're going to make a nice dark red theme. So we'll start with the dark theme. So we've chosen our theme. Let's go down and modify it. So there's all these different areas we can change the colors of, change the fonts, all that sort of stuff. So let's start off and we'll choose a background color. Maybe we want to choose a nice dark red. Nice and dark. Alright, so that looks good. We can have a background image if we want. I don't actually have a background image for this theme, so we'll remove the current background image, which is this pattern here. We want to remove that. And we don't have to actually worry about tiling, since that only applies if there's a background image. We can change the fonts and the font size, and for every field you modify, there's a CSS field, which if you don't know what that means, it doesn't matter, you don't have to worry about it, but designers can go in there and get a bit more flexible changes happening. So let's see what we've done so far. Okay, so we've got a very nice dark maroon red background here happening. Okay, cool. So now what we want to do, I'm happy with the white text there. But I want to change this navigation to be red, and I want to change this to be red as well. So let's have a look. The content is this greyish box here that all the content's in. We can change the background color. I'd recommend keeping it light, but you can do whatever you like with it. You've got the logo. The logo is this up here. You can change the font of that and its color, the size. And there's advanced CSS if you like. By default in the dark theme it's set to italic and bold. Okay, the main headings. Main headings is this here, and this is subheadings, what I'm highlighting just there. So you can change the colors of those. I'll tell you what, let's make it the same color as this background color. So I've just copied that and paste it in there. Oops. Okay. So we'll save that and see how it looks. Okay, so that's alright. Now we want to get to the navigation. So we go down to the navigation box. I'm happy with the size and the color of the text, so the color's white. We want to remove the background images. If I just scroll up, you can see the background image there. There's a bit of a gradient applied. We want to remove that background image. Okay. So we tick those boxes. Now there's three different types of colors you can choose for the nav. The background color, that's just the default background. So you can see when there's nothing, if I'm not hovering it over or we're not on that page, the background is just that image that's already there. Now then there's another one which is active. You can see the settings tab is active right now, and the other background style is hover, and that applies when you're hovering the mouse over the tabs, as you can see. So let's go back down here and choose some colors. So again, we're going with our red. We want a bit of a lighter red than the background, but still dark. And for the hover color, we want a bit darker than the background color, but lighter than the page background. So, and I'll set the same for the hover background and the active background. So let's have a look how that looks. That's not too bad. Okay, so the next step now is to change these buttons on the right. And we can do that in the sidebar buttons section. Now I think we'll just stick to the colors we've got. So I'm just copying that. Then I'll paste it in here. And copy that and paste it in here. We can also change the color of the writing, but we're going to leave that, so that's fine. So let's save that and see how it looks. Alright, so now we've got the same red all the way through. Okay. So now we've also got the option to change the field set color. The field set color is the color of these boxes here, the writing MISC there. Yeah, so we'll leave that how it is. And then there's extra CSS for advanced designer stuff. So that's how you can customize photography orders. I'm sure you'll really have some fun with this feature. It's something we've been wanting to add for a long time, and we're really excited to have added it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.